1.
Yay!
Yay!
Welcome to the Caribbean life.
Mermaid room.
And it's not adjoining.
And we've got a little mermaid room in Trinidad, and it's literally across from the pool, the bus stop, and Spyglass. Little mermaid room. This bed goes into a couch. You have this, which opens up, and you can use it as a table. There we go. I will struggle to get this shut with one hand. Oh no, there we go. It's got wheels, so you can move it over, and that's a couch. This is actually a 5th sleeper for little children. Bed.
Jellyfish.
There's the bed. And then we have a wee ledge, which has been really handy to leave stuff on. 3 really deep, good drawers. There we go. Loads of storage in this room. We stored our cases under the bed. A wee drawer there, lots of charging points, USB-C I think that is, 2 plugs here, the same at that side, 2 up there, 2 behind the kettle, and then there's 2 plug points in the bathroom as well. Loads of storage here, 3 deep drawers, and a small drawer here. And then a decent sized cooler. It's not a fridge, but it certainly holds, we've still got loads of stuff left. Recycled trash, a safe, a good decent sized safe. It was big enough to hold everything that we needed. Look! Joffrey's coffee!
With 2 bags though.
It's alright, you brought your own. Ice bucket, aircon, nice wee shelves, a stool for the little ones if they can't reach the sink, a drawer here, and then a wardrobe, some pillows if you want, an iron. There is a luggage rack. We didn't need it because you could put them onto the beds, and then some shelves here, and 2 sinks which are great, loads and loads of towels, and then the toilet, lovely little picture, shower, and then there is a line you can pull over if you've got stuff to dry, although we never needed it because we've got these hooks, those hooks, and then there's a wee hanger thing over there. Oh, I've just realised I haven't packed my soap. H2O stuff, which was brilliant. Well, it smells lovely, although I do believe that's changing. Yes, this wee hanger here. Really nice room, really comfortable beds. I slept on this one, which turns into the couch. Really comfortable, slept really well. We were here for 16 nights, and I am fussy when it comes to comfortable beds. There was lights here both sides for if you wanted to read, and there is a light above this bed as well. Let's just go here. We're in block 37, room 42. This is how easy it is to turn the bed into a couch.
Jeez, man, I'm surrounded by amateurs.
bus stop. This swimming pool is just to the left. There was a laundry just to the left here if you needed to do some washing. Spyglass was so handy, especially for those refillable mugs and the cheeky wee snack. This is the view outside. It was lovely, really, really nice and really handy for spyglass, for the bus stop and for the swimming pool. Really handy, like, especially with the refillable mugs. Brilliant. Obviously you've got the television. Really, really, really loved this resort and this room. It took just 6 minutes to walk from our room to the Skyliner. It took 14 minutes to get from our room to standing inside Hollywood Studios. Just a little bit handy. Oh, donuts, look at those donuts. It took 12 minutes to walk from Trinidad to Old Port Royal, but you didn't need to walk, there were buses and you could check the times of the buses on the Disney My Experience app. We really didn't visit Old Port Royal often, we didn't need to. We had everything on our doorstep with Spyglass being so close by.
hunch that there might be some.
Like the slight noise of a giveaway last night.
Maybe. There was this loud explosion about 9 o'clock. I'm out to see if it's going to repeat itself tonight.
Well, it better, or I'm going to be extremely disappointed. Epcot. That's so cool. They're lighting up the Skyliner. Seeing those fireworks from the hotel this evening was a lovely end to a lovely, lovely day. Thank you, Mum.
Hello!
Mum, this is definitely the way to travel to a park, is it not? Have you taken my photo?
Uh-huh.
You've taken my video.
Me? Out you get now. Off you get now.
Oh, this is so comfortable. It really is. You should have a shot.
I will. Off you get though.
That might not be so easy. You want me to fall?
Of course I don't.
Dale fell off this, you know.
Oh, I'm surprised. You actually made it.